Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TEUM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame, think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. A pretty rough movement today, got the gap down, although the bulls are starting to show some signs of strength after the gap down. And really the easiest way to kind of illustrate this is that the bulls have started to construct this uptrending trend line here throughout the course of the day. So during that second 30-minute period of the day, you can see that the price actually fell all the way down there and got as low as $2.40. But from there, the price really hasn't looked back, and it's began to, trend its way back upwards. Now, don't get me wrong, and I really wish trading was this easy. Just because there was a gap down and now all of a sudden the price has a slight uptrend does not mean that this thing's guaranteed to, be up at $3.50 tomorrow. I wish trading was that easy, but there's no such thing as a guarantee. Now, would it be shocking to see some sort of continued bounce, tomorrow and the remainder of the week? No, that would not be shocking, but myself nor anyone else can sit here and say that, a bounce is for sure going to happen, because again, that just would imply that there's such thing as a guarantee, and that is just not the case. So first level of support, if you haven't kind of connected those dots, that would be ideal in terms of wanting to see hold, would definitely be that orange line right there, the trend line. In the event the price cannot hold above there and there's a break to the downside, at that point, next key overall area of support seems to be right there around $2.45, give or take a little bit. So those will be the two levels of support. Now, in the event this does continue to bounce, where are some of these next key battlegrounds at as far as resistance levels are concerned? Key level of resistance, it's going to be right up here at, I'm not sure what that value is. Let's see, $2.70. You go through the history of the chart here, and you can see that on several occasions today, bulls try to press back up through that level and were rejected every single time. Yeah, I got up above it during the first 30 minutes, but after that, the price can never get back up above it. So $2.70, that initial area of resistance. If the price can get up above there, then that's where you want to start to keep your eye on these moving averages up there, the 200 period, the pink line, the 50 period, the purple line. Keyword being moving, so I realize those lines are way up there, but they'll move their way downwards. But one step at a time, and that first step is not only staying above that orange trend line, but then being able to break up above $2.70. So we'll see what tomorrow brings. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.